welcome back to my channel. It's Catherine again. So today my daughter is officially 12 weeks old. Let me show you how my day looks like and how is it different from a couple of weeks back. If you guys remember, I've also taken a video showing you guys how my day looks like, but when she was only 6 weeks old. As you can probably feel that I am more happy and more in control and I'm more dressed up. I think it's just because as baby gets older, their sleeping pattern is better and their feeding is getting better as well. So normally now she only wakes up once during the night and she goes to bed around 8, 9, depends on how long it takes for us to put her to bed, and then she'll wake up probably around 2 to 3 a.m. We do another feed and then she'll go back to sleep until 6, 7 in the morning. I am already very appreciative. I know it is still far from a full 12-hour sleeping cycle, but I can't ask for more. So today we have a big task because the in-laws, my in-laws are coming to visit us from Paris. So I'll need to do a couple of things during the day. For example, cleaning the house and sorting several things out. So let me start the day and I hope you enjoy my video of today. So we just had breakfast. Today we had yogurt, Actimel, and some juice. And this is our tray on the dining table, which is a mess at the moment. I'll need to sort that out. And you can see a barbecue over there. That is because we try to clean the barbecue over the weekend. Unfortunately, it is raining and we can't be bothered to put it back to the storage over there. Okay, let me do the dishwasher first. After you have a baby, it is very difficult to keep the house clean, I have to say. For example, we have a big IKEA delivery. That is the furniture for my husband's office. I think my husband will need some help from his father to put this together. And this is my baby's pram and she's now sleeping. So currently the routine that we're testing with her is we get her up in the morning around 7 and then we feed her. So we keep her awake for about an hour to an hour and a half, depends on how tired she is. And then whenever I see there's for example, yawning, I'll just put her to bed immediately. And then she'll probably sleep for, on a good day, which is today, an hour. She's already been sleeping for an hour, but normally she slept for probably 40 minutes and then I'll need to try to put her back to sleep again. And the next feeding time is around 10 to 10:15, 10:20. So we try to do feedings around 3 hours and 3 hours and a half time break. And then after each feeding, she'll go down for a nap. For the nap around lunchtime, I try to make it longer. For example, 2 hours, because I think the nap around lunchtime is very important. And then she'll do the third nap in the afternoon after the 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. feed. That is about the nap around that time is about an hour and a half. And then after the feed will be around 5:30. Sometimes maybe it will drag to 6 p.m. If the day doesn't go that well. And after that, it is a bit tricky. She sometimes will be sleepy. I will let her to sleep, but not too long. For example, yesterday I only let her sleep for 20 minutes, I think 25 minutes max. Otherwise, it will be messing up her night sleep, which will try to put her down to bed around 8:30 or 9-ish. So that is an overview of my daughter's routine as of today. I think it will change. It will change definitely. So yeah, she's now still asleep and let me do the stuff that I've just mentioned. Okay, now it is about to be 10 and I can hear some noises coming from the pram, so I'll get prepared to cry. Okay, I'll feed her first and then clean the rest of the house later. Compared to several weeks ago, as you can see, we added a new toy, which is the baby gym, because I thought it might be a good idea to keep her entertained while she is awake. And also, as you can see, the baby gym, you can hang a lot of toys in here. Different toys will have different functions to stimulate baby's sensory, because now her neck is stronger, so she can lift up herself more. I like to use something like an object in my hand to attract her attention, so she can look at this and lift up her head gradually, higher and higher every day, which is quite fun. You guys can try. So this is our guest bedroom, and the in-laws will stay in this room as well. I did a video about how I decorated this room back in March. I also put a link here. If you are interested, you can click through. So today will be an easy job for me. I'll just need to vacuum the floor, I think. Everywhere else is pretty much clean and tidy. So this is our bathroom on the first floor, which is on the same floor as the guest bedroom and also my daughter's room. Currently, me and my husband, we don't use this room at all. We just use this bathroom to clean our daughter. So it is brand new and it is pretty much clean. I just need to do some organization and dust off here and there to get it prepared for the in-laws. As her routine establishes, it is way easier to plan my day. So normally what I do is if I need to go out to get something, I'll go out at the time when she needs to go to bed, because it is really easy to put her to bed in the pram, especially when the pram is rocking and moving all the time. She'll go to sleep definitely. For example, now, even though just now she was crying when we get out of the house, but now she fell asleep. You can see the ring here, completely caught up in the shopping mall. But lucky enough that my daughter is sleeping, so she's not making a fuss of being locked up here. I think I'll just spend some time on my phone to catch up with friends and family. For the dinner, I'm gonna make Vietnamese pho. So I need to grab some very thick sirloin steak to cut it into slices. I think these ones are not bad. You can see it's quite thick. Okay, let's take these two. So now it's 4:30 and it's the feeding time. I'm gonna leave the baking and then feed my daughter. And after that, hopefully my in-laws will be here. And then I'll have some hands and time to finish my cheesecake. Okay, now it's 10:30 and I can call it a day. Let's take a look at my daughter's performance of the day. So in total, she had 4 naps, which is in line with my expectation. In the morning, she had a nap of an hour and a half, and in the lunchtime, she had 2 naps. The reason is because she woke up once in the middle of her nap. Apparently that is a very common thing for babies. Normally they wake up after 40-50 minutes of a sleep, because that is a sleep cycle. I think I need to tackle that, but that is for the later stage. For now, I think I'm happy. And then in the afternoon, she slept for another an hour and a half. And before her bath time, she slept for half an hour. For this nap, I won't let her to sleep for too long, because that will affect her night sleep. So my husband put her to bed at 8 p.m. and until now she's been sleeping for 2 hours and a half. I'm ready for bedtime. I hope you guys like my video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel. I upload video every Friday at 7 p.m. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye. Good night.